Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I need to clarify upcoming even LLB semesters of 3-year LLB and 5 years LLB under Karnataka State Law University. As you all know, the KSLU has been released the notification, examination notification, upcoming LLB examination notification, which will be held on 18th October 2021. So, in meanwhile, our Karnataka State Law University students, Dharwada bench and Bangalore bench have made the writ petition to the against BCI, against KSLU, against Department of Higher Education, against UGC. So they have made writ petition to Article 226 writ petition. They have made it, and as well on the ground of Article 14 and Article 21, they have made the writ on the ground of Article 14 and Article 21, they have made writ petition. So, in look into this scenario, KSLU, Karnataka State Law University, has to complete the formalities of re-evaluations and challenging re-evaluations. They have to complete it. The process has to complete it, and they have to announce the results before conducting the upcoming LLB examinations. Because, as you all know, the re-evaluations result to be announced, then only they will be conduct the upcoming LLB examinations. Otherwise, students will be on trouble. In this scenario, what we have to think, if we talk about rural background students, why they have the students have been made writ petitions, I will tell you. Because many of the rural students, they have not been completed the syllabus, especially even semester syllabus, they have not been completed. They couldn't able to attend in the online classes, which will be held, which has been held by colleges. So they are facing lot of troubles and lot of problems they are facing. Keep it in consideration all the views, the what Karnataka High Court will be give decision, we have to wait and see, and what Karnataka State Law University will make the plans of upcoming LLB examination, that also we have to see. In this scenario, many of the students have been confused about their LLB examinations. My advice is to please don't make any confusions, don't make any rumors on the LLB examinations, because this is very important, the very crucial period. This is this time is very precious. We have to apply our mind to our studies, especially. So, in this scenario, two benches have been made writ petition, and what High Court will be decide, that also we have to see, and as well we have to see the problems of rural background students, and as well as all we need to see, means this is the pandemic situations, we have to see all aspects. So keeping in mind all these things, and we have to see the KSLU or valuations and re-evaluations of previous semesters examinations. Anyhow, result have been announced. So far all students please listen. So far they have only given notification which will be held on 18th of October 2021, whereas so far the timetable we have not received from the Karnataka State Law University. Timetable will be given. After timetable only we can tell that examinations timetable, examination when will be going to conduct, then only we can able to analyze. Till that time, please don't make any tensions, please don't make any troubles, please don't get here and there get, please don't spread rumors. Even KSLU has not told not to conduct examinations, and High Court also not published, and not any stay have been made by the High Court. So far, there is no conclusions have been from the High Court as well as Karnataka State Law University. In this scenario, our students always has to think about their studies. They have to think about their upcoming LLB examinations of even semesters. If you have any repeating, means that earlier papers which is pending with you, please go through all those things. You have to concentrate on your studies. You please don't mind that whether Karnataka State Law University will be going to conduct examinations or not. Only tentative notification they have been given, which will be held 18th of October 2021. It doesn't mean that that is not final. The final timetable will be given by the university. Till that time, we should have a patience, and two writ petitions, whichever they have made it, the court has not been given judgment. That also we have to see. So in this all situations, we should have a patience uh, to wait for the judgments as well as the Karnataka State Law University timetable also we have to see. So my advice is, please don't make any tensions. Please be concentrate on your studies, upcoming LLB examinations of 3-year LLB and 5 years LLB. So I hope this video have been given clarity about your confusions regarding upcoming E1 semesters LLB examinations. So please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT, so that you will get notified very good videos on your Karnataka State Law University LLB 3 years and 5 years LLB examinations. I will give updates on notifications. I will give updates on very important questions. I will give updates on each and every aspects of LLB, 3 years LLB and 5 years LLB. Thank you.